Cum joke.
This is the cinnamon challenge. This is take 2. The take 1 was about 5 minutes ago, so who knows what this is gonna do. So.
Cinnamon challenge. You didn't hear that.
Take 2. Shut the hell up. Shh.
He did it.
Oh my god! You just threw up. Dude, I gave him a nipple twister or chip dip right before he did it. Chip dip.
I missed. You know what? I'm gonna have to start. Oh, I'm gonna have to start filming
All over again.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my god.
So much worse than the first time.
You're glad it's over though, right? Like you're reassured that you can do it. You are a champion. That's what you're saying.
Bring me bear.
Huh?